cut off from my last program. I have the gateway. 4 marbles. The minute you turn this thing out, no matter almost what angle you're on, these marbles will start flying out like crazy. There is only 1 point and 1 lock. If everything looked like the other, the gates would never open. We have 33 area spaces. This dot can go anywhere, okay, in these spaces, anywhere. Okay, if you put this over here in this game, now remember, linear, circle, square, 1 house. If I put this on here, I'm outside the house. Whoop. I have to show you, I'm going to show it to you the other way, like I did in the last video that I filmed for 6 minutes without starting the video. I take this and boom, I put it like just like that. Just like that. And I cannot move this. I know it's moving, but you see this? This might be a game, but it's different for me. Because I take this and I can do this. I can take this and I can do this. So these area spaces is what this, I believe, the Earth can do. You want to talk about flat Earth, round Earth? How about moving Earth? Okay? Because the reality of Earth is we're islands sitting on the ocean. We're all islands sitting on the ocean, holding fresh water. Right? You see the rim? Holding fresh water. We tilt and we move all the waters so the waters continue as rivers, flowing from wherever the North and South Pole is, however it works. This is our energy of 1,000 miles an hour to make the day. We have to go somewhere in a day, right? Although the Earth turns all the way like this, right? How many miles do we turn? What is it, 24,000 or whatever in a day? They say it's 1,000 miles an hour. It's only this in the center that's moving. All the oceans do is do this, right? The minute you tilt just a little bit like this, there goes the sun. Do you understand? There goes the sun. So are we going around like this, right? Or are we going around like this? Whoops, sorry about that. Where did my marble go? All right. You have to understand the cube control the cube, right? Somewhere in the moon, the cube, right? You can't move anything unless you're a cube. Because if you're a ball, you're turning inside something. If you're a cube, right, 4 complete different sides, different kind of understanding inside the cube, right? 360 by 360, okay, perception. This also has 360 broken off to 6 sides. So how many sides in a circle? They're intertwining sides, and there are only 6 sides in the circle, according to this. 6 sides in the circle because everything is 60 degrees. 160 degrees is because all houses are made up of 6. The inside, okay, formation of everything is made up of 9, but there's only 1 center. There are a total, okay, of 49 area spaces, in where 16, how sweet it is, are in the corners. Where all it takes is 1 area space here, but when you move to the corners, okay, when you move to the corners, whoop, and you move to the corners, that's 4 area spaces. When you only want to count the 1 corner, and you want to go around on the 1 corner, you add 1, 2, 3, 4. When you want to go around on all of them, right, you have to add 3, 6, 9, 12 to go all the way around. Here's your 1 area space. See that arrow over here? It'll also create a shape or a flower. I'm not really sure which one. Another thing I want to mention is that when we do this, okay, when we do, let me see this over here. I think this is the one. When we do this, I now have the club. Okay, the club, right? See this area over here, this cross, that's what connects the 4. That cross from all those old films, that special cross. When I put it down here and I pull this, okay, I now create the spade by adding in 2 more. Although do they show the shapes as the same size?
See, here's the spade. So that means whether I put it here or here, 1 or 3 position, or actually this is 3 and 7, or if you want to count it low shoe, the board must be like this in low shoe. In numbers, the board is like this. Here's 1 in numbers. Here's 1 in low shoe. So in low shoe, they're actually showing you the spade and the heart. You notice the way this would be the stand? This would be the stand, right, over here. Actually, this would be the stand to the spade, right? You take it and it'd be the stand. Here's the stand to the spade, and then the spade would go up here, or the same way that I drew it. Now you have to understand that the center house is 1. If I'm going this way, we have to remember this is one side, and then these 4. So it's 6 and it's 4. So we all 6, 4 in every single corner. 6 and 4 is 10. So all the corners create 40. If we want to go over here, we end up with 52, and that's the numeric value for Earth, and all we have empty is not this over here, but this linear line over here, which actually leaves only these lines over here, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, that are empty, because we can go all the way around. Now, if we're going all the way around, okay, the only actual thing we're leaving out is that. We're leaving out 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 2, and 2, 2, 5, 2. 176, 176. 76, 252, 252. 126, 126, 216 hours. 216 hours, 9 days. 240 hours to a cycle of the Mayans, either 10 days or 9 days, and 18 months or 20 months. It doesn't matter. It's all the same thing. It'll tell you this score. Inside of here, there's 13 and 20. Now, where are the 20? 4, 4, 4, and here 4 is 16 and 33. Where are the 20? I have to remember where the 20 are. 3, sorry, 2, 2, and 1. 2, 1, 2 is 5, 10, 15, 20 on the corners. 13 on the inside. Where 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9 and 13 create the cross. 20 to the life. 9 and 4 Uranus. Do you notice the way we're watching this and see all these circles coming out? They're all coming out, right? All these are coming out. Well, I'm going to balance this ball on that circle that's coming out, right? And I balance the ball on it. See the way they're all coming out? So you notice they're all holes, right? Anyways, this is the game. So you have this way, and you have, remember, 1 cube in this corner makes up 4. Otherwise, it's 3 of them, and it makes up 12. So it's 12 and 4, and that's the purple ball creating 4 and 3. When you have the 4, okay, when you have the 4, you have 3, 6, 9, 12, and 4. When you have the 12, you have 3, 6, 9, 12, and the 12 you have 24. So you have 24. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 and 6 is 12. 1, 2, 3, 4. 12 and 4. Here you have 3, 6, 9, 12 and 12. So 12 and 4 is 16. And then 12 and 12 is 24. 4 times 4, 4 plus 4, 24. And that's your psi. The movement between here and we jump up straight, boom. We go boom, boom. As we go here, once we plant the 4th one, the next one we would go boom, if we were continuing. And through that boom over here, we would end up in one of these corners. But anyways, Raphael 7286 in a constellation of Pegasus. Just a little game. Thank you for watching. And that's the beginning of my next. See, I just took a sea creature and I'm putting some sand, right? Sand on the beaches. Don't forget, these are my eyes. This can look like completely different. And this monster over here. See I like to draw a lot of, I don't know why, but teeth and all curvatures like these plants, like the Y letters and the C. See the C and the Y come together? I created a K, but that's actually the F. And then look, 52 over the heart. And look, serving tray. So, what did I want to say about that? Yeah. Okay, we're gonna leave it alone, but it looks good in the camera. But if you look at it close up, it doesn't look half as good. So we got this game done, coming to you from the House of Paint. Thank you for watching this video.